Hey everyone! Welcome to the Everyday Weight Loss Hacks YouTube channel. Today we're going over apple cider vinegar for your weight loss journey, 7 hidden tips to maximize ACV's power. Weight loss isn't easy, we all know that. It's a challenge that many of us face at some point in our lives. Whether it's shedding those extra pounds gained over the holidays or embarking on a complete lifestyle overhaul, the journey is often filled with obstacles and setbacks. It's a journey with twists and turns, and the industry is packed with miracle cures that rarely work. From pills and powders to fad diets and extreme workout plans, the market is saturated with quick fixes that promise the world but deliver very little. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and disheartened. You've heard of ACV or apple cider vinegar for sure, right? It's been touted as a miracle elixir for everything from weight loss to improved digestion. But what's the real story behind this age-old remedy? Maybe even tried it, poured a shot into a glass once, choked it down, and wondered what on earth all the fuss was about. The taste can be off-putting, and the immediate effects aren't always noticeable. It's easy to dismiss it as just another health fad. Here's the thing, ACV isn't some overnight solution, nor is it just a trendy health elixir. It's a tool, and like any tool, it needs to be used correctly to see the benefits. It's not about taking a shot and expecting miracles. It's about integrating it into a balanced lifestyle. Used right, ACV is a quiet powerhouse, a bit like that old friend who always gives the best advice if you actually pay attention. It's subtle, but its effects can be profound over time. It's about consistency and making it a part of your daily routine. It's about making smart choices, building healthy habits, and understanding how what you put into your body affects you. ACV can be a part of that equation, but it's not the whole answer. It's about a holistic approach to health and wellness. So let's dive into some seriously strategic, maybe even a little unconventional, ways to make ACV work for you on your weight loss journey. We'll explore how to incorporate it into your diet, the best times to take it, and how to pair it with other healthy habits for maximum impact. These are the hidden tips the internet only whispers about, the little-known secrets that can make a big difference in your journey. It's about finding what works for you and sticking with it. Let's get into it. Make sure to watch until the end for one of the most surprising best weight loss tips when it comes to using apple cider vinegar effectively, that you can use this week to exponentially increase your chances of hitting your how to lose weight goals fast. Plus, find out 2 powerful mystery additions you can add to your apple cider vinegar use to 2x your results starting today. Bet you can't guess what it is. Now I know what you're thinking, start the day with ACV? That's harsh, but hear me out. This isn't about downing shots of vinegar like it's some kind of dare. This is about strategy. Mix 1 tablespoon of ACV with a full glass of water. If you're feeling fancy, add a squeeze of lemon. It's refreshing and adds a little zing. Sip this about 15 minutes before breakfast. What's this going to do? Don't expect miracles overnight. It's not a magic potion, but pay attention to how you feel after a week, 2 weeks, a month of doing this consistently. You might notice you feel a little less hungry at breakfast. You might find yourself making healthier choices throughout the day. It's about setting the tone, priming your body for the day ahead. It's about consistency, like anything worth doing. Small changes done consistently lead to big results. Remember that. You might be wondering, why ACV? What's so special about it? Apple cider vinegar has been praised for its potential health benefits for centuries. It's known to help with digestion, support weight loss, and even improve skin health. But remember, it's not a cure-all. It's a small part of a bigger picture. Pair it with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and good sleep. And don't forget mental health. Stress management is crucial. Think of ACV as a tool in your wellness toolkit. It's not the whole solution, but it can support your overall health journey. So, give it a try. Start your day with ACV, but do it smartly. Here's to small changes and big results. Cheers to your health. Thank you for watching our Everyday Weight Loss Hacks channel, by the way. Please like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications to the Everyday Weight Loss Hacks channel so we know to keep making free content like this. You're the best, by the way. Now back to the tips you came here for. We're talking about outsmarting your hunger pangs here. This is a game changer, especially if you're prone to overeating. About 20 minutes before a meal, stir a teaspoon or 2 of ACV into a glass of water. Yeah, it's got that unique vinegary smell, I get it. But remember, that's the scent of self-control, my friends. That's the smell of willpower in a glass. What's happening is the ACV is working its magic, helping you feel fuller faster. You're less likely to overeat because your stomach is already sending signals to your brain saying, "Hey, we're good here." This is about making smart choices in the moment. It's about giving yourself that extra edge when it comes to portion control. And trust me, every little bit counts. Before we reveal the next hot tip, just a polite reminder that there are resources in the Everyday Weight Loss Hacks YouTube description box below that you can click on that can help you speed up your weight loss goals starting today. Make sure to check them out after the video so you can start seeing a better looking body in almost no time. Now on to the next tip. Let's get creative, folks. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is a versatile ingredient that can elevate your culinary game. It's not just a health tonic, it's a flavor enhancer that can transform your dishes. ACV isn't just for drinking, it's a culinary secret weapon, adding a tangy twist to your meals while boosting your weight loss efforts. First up, salad dressings. Imagine a fresh, crisp salad with a dressing that's both tangy and healthy. ACV can be the star of your homemade dressings. Ditch the store-bought stuff loaded with sugar and preservatives. Those bottles might be convenient, but they often come with hidden calories and unhealthy additives. Make your own simple blend of ACV, olive oil, mustard, and maybe a hint of garlic. Goodbye, bland salads. This homemade dressing is not only healthier, but also more flavorful. Next, marinades. ACV, a bit of honey, herbs, maybe some garlic. This works wonders on chicken or tofu. The acidity of the vinegar helps to break down the proteins, making the meat or tofu more tender and flavorful. The ACV helps tenderize the meat while adding a depth of flavor that'll have you licking your plate. Whether you're grilling, baking, or frying, this marinade will make your dishes stand out. And don't forget about veggies. Vegetables can sometimes be bland, but a little ACV can change that. Steaming or roasting some greens. These cooking methods are great for retaining nutrients, but they can sometimes lack flavor. Add a splash of ACV at the end to brighten them up and give them a tangy kick. This simple addition can make a world of difference, turning ordinary veggies into a delightful side dish. It's all about making healthy food taste amazing. With ACV, you can enjoy meals that are not only good for you, but also bursting with flavor. So go ahead and experiment. Your taste buds will thank you. This is about creating a 1-2 punch against hunger. We're talking about combining the power of apple cider vinegar with the staying power of fiber. Think about it. You have that spoonful of ACV in water, right? Now pair that with a breakfast packed with fiber-rich foods like oatmeal, chia pudding, or a smoothie loaded with greens. What you're doing is setting yourself up for success. You're controlling those blood sugar spikes, keeping your energy levels stable, and avoiding those mid-morning cravings that can derail your day. It's all about making smart choices that work with your body, not against it. And this combo? This is a recipe for feeling good and staying satisfied. We here at the Everyday Weight Loss Hacks YouTube channel want to know, have you tried using apple cider vinegar for weight loss before? If so, how long ago did you try it? Did you face any challenges and what were they? Feel free to share your experiences in the comments. We would love to hear from you. The best comments get a heart. Use ACV during fasting periods. Fasting can be a powerful tool for weight loss, but let's be real, those hunger pangs can be intense. That's where ACV steps in as your secret weapon. Picture this. You're fasting, and that familiar hunger starts to creep in. But you've still got a few hours to go until your eating window. Don't give in. Instead, reach for a glass of water and add a teaspoon of ACV. That slight tang, that little something extra, can be just enough to take the edge off those cravings. It's about supporting your body during a challenging time. It's about giving yourself that extra boost of willpower to stay on track and achieve your goals. The green tea and ACV powerhouse combo. Let's talk about a synergy that's more than just the sum of its parts. Green tea with its metabolism-boosting antioxidants and ACV with its blood sugar-regulating properties make a powerful team. Brew yourself a cup of green tea. Let it cool a little. Scalding hot and ACV don't mix well, trust me. Once it's at a comfortable temperature, stir in a teaspoon of ACV. Sip and feel the boost. This is especially great mid-morning or early afternoon when you need a little pick-me-up. It's a healthier alternative to sugary drinks or excessive coffee. It's about giving your body what it needs to thrive. It's about making choices that support your overall health and well-being. Topical ACV for water retention and body confidence. Okay, this one might sound a little out there, but stay with me. We're talking about using ACV topically to help with water retention and give you a little boost of body confidence. Mix equal parts ACV and water. Take a soft cloth, dab it onto areas where you feel bloated or retain water, and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Doc, are you serious? But hear me out. Many people find this surprisingly effective for depuffing. Even if it's a placebo effect, and there's some evidence to suggest it's more than that, it feels refreshing. And feeling good in your own skin, that's priceless. Watch these videos now.